Hi, today I want to show you how to use my favorite Chrome extension, the MyBib Citation Generator. It's linked just over on the left-hand side of your page. It is super easy and it will help you keep track of your sources. It will help you know your in-text citations, and it can even create a works cited and put it in alphabetical order. So I'm just going to show you how to use it quickly. Once you have the app installed, it will be over here in the top of your browser, and it looks like a book with a blue arrow. When you go to a website that you're going to use for research, for any way, if you're taking any ideas, quotations, or anything, you need to have it in your works cited. You may need to have in-text citations, so you just click on the blue arrow. And if you need to change it to get it to MLA8, you just click Change Style. And then you just click Copy, and you can copy and paste that over to wherever you're taking notes. And there is an in-text citation right there, or you can click Save to Project. If you know you're going to have multiple sources for a project and you want to have it go into a works cited, this will save you time. So I can go here, I can put it into this project, or if I'm going to have multiple projects at the same time, I can click Start New Project. I'm going to call this Plastic. Okay, and then if I have it in the wrong folder by accident, that's okay. I can just click it, drag it, and it can go into that folder. So my next thing is an article from the New York Times, and I'm going to click on the extension. Now, sometimes you have to keep an eye out, because I know with New York Times, there's some articles, it doesn't pick up all of the information. So you'll notice here there's no author, but I do know my author for my article. So I can actually click Edit, and if I click Marie Fazio, I'm going to enter her name. I can click Update. Then it gives me my proper in-text citation. I'm going to add that to project. Okay, and now that's not in the plastic folder, but I'm going to drag it up there. So now I have 2 articles in my plastic folder. And the last one is an article that I got from a database. And I can even get the proper citation with this extension. All right, so now that's there. I can save the project. Okay, so now I have these 3 things. And if I click Download Works Cited, I can either go copy and paste, go to Google Drive. But let's say I'm going to copy and paste this so that way I can copy and paste it onto the doc that I'm doing my research project on. I can click copy and paste, and look at, it's even giving me some celebration there. It has put it in alphabetical order for me, and it has properly indented it for my works cited. I click and I copy it. I'm going to go paste on my doc, and I'm ready to submit a properly formatted works cited. Give it a try and use it for any research project where you're keeping track of your sources and having a works cited and in-text citation. It will help you and save you time.